Today, you're watching real-life veterinary care in action. This magnificent tusk elephant named Kaveri Raja is receiving IV supplements from our professional team. The man in the maroon shirt is our veterinary surgeon, Tarindu Wijakun, carefully monitoring every step of the process. These IV fluids and supplements help Kaveri Raja stay hydrated and healthy, especially during times of weakness or recovery. Elephant care is not just about food and water, it's about ongoing medical attention, regular checkups and compassion. This treatment session is part of our continuous efforts to ensure the welfare of every elephant under our care. Thank you for watching and supporting ethical elephant care. Subscribe to our channel to see more behind-the-scenes moments like this.